Good morning guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Did you all miss me? Well, I'm back with an awesome new video today, and today's video is going to blow your mind because I have something crazy to show you all. A few days ago, if you guys remember, I started a new series on the channel known as Summer Tech Gadgets, and this is like an episode 2 in that. And today what I'll be showing you is very cool, guys. What happened is I was just searching Amazon India for some weird and crazy tech gadgets, summer tech gadgets, and one day I found this product known as smallest portable AC, and I was like, what? That sounds really interesting. So I just had to make a video on that product for you guys. Well, here it is, guys. This is called as Arctic AC. This is the smallest and a portable compact air cooler. It's just the size of a small cube, and can do a lot of stuff. Like, this thing is portable AC on the go. That sounds really crazy, right? And along with that, it also has some other features like ambient RGB lighting and a lot of other stuff which I'll show you in this video. Alright, then let's quickly unbox and see what this thing actually can do. Let's get started. So this is the air cooler I was talking about. It's made by this brand known as Arctic Air and comes in this sort of box packaging. It's a very small, compact and a portable air cooler. In fact, this is the smallest air cooler I have ever seen till now. So guys, I'm very curious to unbox and check it out. The product offers some good features like adjustable fan speeds as per your requirement, offers a quiet operation and also has built-in ambient lighting. There's a lot more info written on the box, like how this thing operates and some of its applications and features. We'll talk about all that at a later part in the video. First, let's get started with the unboxing. On opening the box, we've got a user manual at the top. Make sure to read that for all the info, a micro USB cable, and lastly, here's the cooler. It comes packed like this in a cover. Let me just remove it and show you the product. There you go, our brand new Arctic Air portable compact cooler. Oh wow, now that is what you call a really compact cooler. Does this thing really work? Well, I'll tell you about that in a while. In the meantime, let me give you an overview on the design and the build quality. The cooler looks like a square box entirely made of plastic in a two-tone color scheme. I like the white and grey paint job. And over here it's got all the controls at the top. There's a big power button at the center, a lighting button. I've already told you, right, the cooler comes with some built-in ambient lighting and you can control that using the button. And lastly, you've got a fan speed adjust with status LED indicators just beside that. That's pretty much it, guys. It's a very simple mini air cooler that comes with two vents, one on the front and one at the back. The built-in fan sucks the air through the intake, passes through a water-soaked filter and blows cool air through the front. That is how this thing operates. And if you're wondering where the water tank is, well, that is right over here. This is how you can access it. You need to fill this compartment with water, plug it in any DC 5V source, enjoy a cool breeze anywhere on the go. Sounds fun, right? No complications, no battery required. It's a simple plug-and-play product. The build quality is also nice. The finishing looks good for the price. So now let me show you how to power it on and use it. It's very simple. First open this compartment and then fill it with water. The body is translucent, guys, so you can easily see the level of water through the side. One advice I would give is fill it with chilled water and even use some ice cubes. That'll give you really good results. And the final step you need to do is connect it to any 5V DC source like a power bank or a charger or maybe your laptop, and that's it, you're all ready to use it. And as soon as you power it on, you can see it's got some beautiful RGB ambient lighting. So it even functions as a night lamp in your bedroom. Let me just dim my studio lights so you'll get a better idea on how the cooler's lighting looks like. The Arctic Air has several built-in RGB modes which can easily be changed with a button at the top. It can glow in 7 different static colors, has RGB cycle mode, or you can even turn it off if you want to. And the second button beside that is to adjust the cooler's fan speed. It's got 3 fan speed modes, low, medium and high, indicated by 3 status LEDs just beside that. Alright, so till now we've seen how this portable air cooler functions, right? Now let me share you my feedback and experience using it. I've been using the air cooler for the past few days and let me tell you, it definitely does its job. It produces cool breeze and helps you relax, especially during the summertime. Initially what happened was I filled the cooler with normal room temperature water, and when I used it for the first time, to be honest, I thought the product was literally useless as there was no cool breeze coming from it. But again, I read the manual and saw that the brand recommends to use chilled water for maximum effect. So, what I did this time was I filled it with chilled water and used some ice cubes as well and let the cooler pad soak in it for like 5 minutes. And then I powered it on and used it. Boom! I could see immediate difference in the results. The product was producing much cool air and I could easily feel a difference in the temperature. Talking about the fan speeds, I was using it most of the time in high mode only as the low and medium modes were not that effective. The high speed fan mode was fine, it was giving good results, but I felt the fan speed could have been slightly a bit more higher, especially considering the hot temperatures in Hyderabad. I guess the brand focused more on reducing the fan noise and keeping the product quiet. See guys, the cooler is good, it definitely does the job and justifies the price. But keep in mind that it was designed to be used by only one person, and that too you should keep it close to yourself for maximum effect. I was mostly using it while working on my desk or near my sofa and kept it aside my bed while sleeping. It's easy to use, portable, you can carry it anywhere and use, and there were no water leakages as well. And yes, you might have a doubt regarding how much water does it consume and how long will it last, right? Well, the water tank can hold up to like 400 to 500 ml of water, and one filling will last for around 5 to 6 hours. So that's pretty much it guys, that was my video on the smallest AC from Arctic Air. It's a super useful gadget especially during the summertime. And the best part is, it's very budget friendly and affordable. Everything was fine about the product, but the only thing I felt was the brand should have included one more fan speed like a turbo mode to chill your needs in the Indian summer. It costs around like 750 rupees on Amazon. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.